am excited to share a little bit about my professional and personal life. So, a little bit beyond my professional life, I am the type of person who loves having a quality time with my family, such as cooking at home, simply having a conversation with my family, visiting new places. These are precious moments for me. And also, I am the type of person who loves being creative and communicating with other people. That's why I believe I was drawn to social media management role. And also, I thrive in the dynamic nature of social media platforms because I can see that it allows people to connect within social media. And by being a person who is naturally intrigued or curious about what's going on, I am the type of person who is always on trend, and I always want to learn new things. And I can see that social media is a great platform to learn new things as well. You just need to select the information that you gathered from the internet. And also I believe as a social media manager, my dedication and my enthusiasm to this career allows me to always put my heart into whatever I am doing. I always put myself in the shoes of my client because I want to make sure that I understand them. I want to make sure that I am able to provide the the service that they needed from me. And also, um, I have 3 years experience in virtual assistance already, and I have 2 years of experience in social media management. And with that experience, I was able to learn content creation, scheduling of posts, um, community management, strategy development, campaign management, social listening, and also monitoring and the analytics of the content. So these are very important skills that as a social media manager we should be practicing. And also, even though I am fairly new in this niche, I see to it that I know the current trend by following local and international social media managers whom are performing well in the industry. And also, with my dedication to this career, I know that, and I am confident that I can do the task of a social media manager. And and through this, I continuously involve myself to trainings, may it be paid or free. I continuously enroll to richen my knowledge on this career. And also, I tried enrolling to different niche because I wanted to offer something different as well to a client that they might be needing as well in the future, such as graphic designing, search engine optimization, and lead generation and email marketing, and also Facebook advertisement. So I'm hoping that you'll give me a chance to work for your company.